Gabby takes her mother Sharon to look at a wedding venue for her upcoming nuptials with Christopher in this exclusive Love During Lockup preview. Chris wants to get married as soon as he gets out of prison. Gabby is ready to take the next step with Christopher and goes to look at a wedding venue in this exclusive preview of the Love During Lockup series premiere. Gabby's mother, Sharon, wants to know why she's rushing into this wedding. "When you have your intuition and you just know," Gabby says. Gabby has had 4 serious relationships, and her relationship with Christopher is her 5th. "I think the 5th time is the charm," Gabby admits. She is head over heels in love with Chris. "Christopher is so different. I don't know how to explain it. He's so perfect," she gushes. Chris has told Gabby that he wants to get married right away after he gets out of prison. Gabby wants to give it a little bit of time so she can plan the perfect day for them. Gabby, Sharon, and Gabby's godfather head to the venue. It's very bougie, just like Gabby wants. The cost starts at around $230 per person for a Saturday wedding. "How are you going to pay for this?" Sharon asks. Gabby has an answer for that. Chris has settlement money, Gabby explains. "The guards, they beat him really bad or whatever, so he sued them, and they gave him a settlement. It was, close to $150,000. Gabby and Chris met through Gabrielle's cousin's incarcerated boyfriend, and after quickly falling for one another, Chris decided to shower Gabrielle with the finer things, including a house, a BMW, and a $5,000 engagement ring. However, Chris's family is worried she may be using him for his money. Chris's family has plans to confront Gabrielle and her intentions. Meanwhile, Gabrielle's family also have doubts of their own, especially her mother, who calls Gabby a man-eater because of many failed engagements. Love During Lockup will air Fridays at 9 p.m. on WeTV.